seats, pilot seat. Now if you go up here, this is the little lookout place. And yep, well, yep, that's almost all. I think the last thing we have is this little station, you know. Okay, so anything else? No, I think we're done with this massive juggernaut. Well, yeah. That's the Juggernaut. It's my most impressive Star Wars creation. Yeah, okay, so like, comment, and, you know, yeah, stuff like that. Thanks for watching the video.